big, but in all fairness, I always say that when I get stuff for Chief, I forget how big Chief is. Oh. Oh, this is like, it says all the care stuff. Oh my God, Chief is gonna look so great in this. I can't wait until Friday to show him this. Next up, we have the LeMieux Hunter Green ear bonnet. I probably won't use this on Chief until winter, because it's just a bit hot right now. I'll wait till winter to put this on him, but I'm gonna be having it on all winter. Let's get a close up. I love it. Oh, I would do a close up of the saddle pad. It's just a little bit too big. Here. Whoa. And the last thing is the color wraps. Chief isn't a dressage pony, he is a jumping pony, but when for the older jumping horses, we put color wraps on the back to give them just a little bit more support. So yeah, Chief isn't that old, but it's better to put them on him just in case. Get a close up. Oh, and these are the LeMieux as well. I want to unravel it, but like, I can't. Ooh. Lovely. I'm not going to unravel it all because I don't want to roll it all back up. I'm probably just going to, I should probably take, because we only used 2 on them, so I'll probably just take 2 out, and actually I'll just keep all 4 because I don't want them to get dirty. Just that my bag is just a little bit dusty. Of course it is. I mean, it's a horse bag. I am so happy about this. Chief has been getting lots of little gifties. First it was his new head collar, then his saddle box, and now it is a whole new collection. And I have the Hunter Green head collar from Murdoch's. It's basically the same color, but like I didn't want to spend that much money on a LeMieux head collar and have to wait 2 weeks for it to get here. Because I'm in America and LeMieux's in Europe, so I didn't want to have to wait that long. And so the whole entire Hunter Green set, I'm so excited, and I do want to get all the Hunter Green matching clothes and all, but I just have to wait till they grow a little bit more because well, they don't make it in the mini stuff sadly, so yeah. And then we have the ear bonnet, and this is the whole shebang. I am so happy, like so happy I got to have this. Wait, put it on. Oh, horsey. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching today. And if you want to get your pony some Hunter Green LeMieux or any other color, it doesn't even have to be LeMieux, just something from LeMieux, go to their website and make sure you order today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!